Hey everyone, it's Gardening with Ben here with today's episode. Today we're going to be talking about saving your geranium plants for next year. Yes, you can actually save them. Save having you to buy them again next year. You can actually save the ones that you've got planted. So all our geraniums are planted out in the ground at the moment. The weather's starting to get colder. We're now in November. So if we were to leave them out, they would die from the frost. It will kill the plants off. But what you can do is dig them up and pot them up and store them in a nice greenhouse or a shed where it's a bit warmer, and look after them throughout the winter and replant them again next year. So yeah, let's get these dug up and let's get them potted up and put in the shed for this year. So as you can see, the geraniums are still flowering, but yeah, it's time to take them up, time to take them out, and time to pot them up. We've got another one just there, we've got one over there, one over there. So we've got quite a few geraniums around. We want to save them because they're expensive to buy geranium plants. So let's get these potted up, dug up, and stored away for winter. So we've dug all them out, so it's a case of just putting them into a nice large plant pot, nice and deep, so that we can keep them watered and look after them in the shed. So let's get these potted up in some multi-purpose compost. So we've potted all them up now, and yeah, it's just a case of keeping them watered. Any that have got flowers on them, pull them off. I know it may seem pretty, but you need it to concentrate on growing its roots. So yeah, take the flowers off and put them somewhere nice and warm over winter. Doing this with the geraniums always reminds me of my granddad, as he used to have geraniums all around his garden, and then in the winter time he'd always bring them into his house and keep them in his house all through winter, ready for planting out next year. So this is something that I always remember him doing, as I was quite young when he passed away, but that is one thing that I can remember him actually doing. So yeah, I'm glad that the green fingers does pass down from my granddad to my dad to me, and hopefully carry on. So I popped them in the shed. We'll keep them watered and hopefully keep them alive till next year, save us some pennies. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you've learned something from it about saving money and saving them geraniums. So if you're not following us, do give us a follow. Give us a like and leave a comment below and let me know if you are saving your geraniums for next year. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.